I just got the Brother HL L2380DW wireless laser printer. This printer only prints in black and white, but in most cases that's all I need. I also go through long periods of time without printing, so it's nice to have a laser printer that you can just have sit there, and the ink won't dry out like an inkjet printer. On top we have the instructions here, so let's open those up. Here's the setup guide for the Brother printer. Take a look at that later. We have another CD and some pamphlets, so let's open these up. This one says Introduction to Brother Refresh. Got 2 more pamphlets here. Here's a product safety guide. And last up we have the basic user guide. This disc most likely has software and drivers for the printer. We'll use that later. I'll move this cardboard out of the way. Let's see what's under the styrofoam piece here. Under the styrofoam, this looks to be our toner cartridge. I'll take that out of there. Pretty big. So we'll open that up and put that in later. Let's take the styrofoam out of here. And there's the printer. I'm just going to grab the printer and pull it out of the box. This printer is pretty hefty actually. Doesn't look like there's anything but styrofoam left in the box here. I'm going to take the styrofoam out of the box just to make sure there's nothing else in there. And it looks like we have a packing slip or a receipt here. Here's some more information about the printer on the back side of the box. Here's the front of the box with some more information about the printer. Let's get the tape off of here and take the cellophane off of the printer. It has a nice finish on the top. Now let's take the tape off of here so we can open this printer up. You got tape on all 4 corners of the top of the printer. Get those off of there. Let's get the rest of the plastic off of here. It has plastic all around it. I'm just going to peel all that off. Let's open up the scanner. We have some more plastic sitting on here. So let's take all the plastic off of here. There's the scan deck and it says Brother underneath. Alright, let's open the front up here. Then we could just pull this tab out. And pull the tab out of there. Pretty big. Let's pull the next piece out of there. That is the holder for our toner. So let's open our toner up now. This is the way the toner goes in there. So let's take off the yellow cap and insert the toner cartridge. Alright, we have it in our tray. So I'll just slide that tray into the printer. Now our toner cartridge is inside the printer. Close the printer door. Let's slide the paper tray out of there. Load our tray with some paper. Slide the tray back into the printer. And take the plastic off the control screen. Here's a quick look at the front of the printer. Now it's all put together. I'm going to plug the printer in. Now let's hit the power button and turn it on. Alright, it's loading up for the first time. It says Brother. Got some lights going here. It says please wait. Now we got the menu here, copy, scan, web, shortcuts, settings, Wi-Fi, and demo. You can scroll through here. We have apps, we have 2-in-1 copy. So I'm going to click on demo over here and see what that does. It says printing. Printing out Brother at your side and some information from Brother. And it shows it does 2-sided printing and has some more information on the other side. It says convenient copy and scanning. easy to use touchscreen display, easy setup wireless networking, print from your mobile device, two-sided printing, and now we're back on the main screen. Let's click the bar in the middle here. It says toner life and test print. Back to the main screen, check out settings. It has toner, network, tray settings, Wi-Fi direct, and all settings. Let's go to tray settings. It says paper type, paper size. And there's different sizes of paper there. We have different paper types. Plain paper, thick paper, recycled paper. Let's go to paper size. We have A4, A5, A6, executive, folio, legal paper, A5L, letter. Let's go to check size. It could be on or off. That looks to be about it, so let's go back to the main settings menu. Okay, now we're back on the main settings menu. Let's check out all settings. General setup, shortcut settings, printer, network, printer report, machine info, initial setup. Let's go to initial setup. We can reset or set our local language. Let's go back to main settings again. Let's click Wi-Fi direct. It says push button, pin code, or manual. We have group owner, on or off, device information, status information, IF enabled. Let's go back up. Let's do push button. Wi-Fi direct on. Let's click on. Activate Wi-Fi direct on other device, then press OK. Press OK. Searching for a device. Nothing showed up, so I'm put the disk in the computer. So let's open the disk up. Take it out of there. Open up the disk tray, put the disk in. Now let's go back to the printer, hit Wi-Fi, setup wizard. It says searching for SSID. So I'm just going to click on my information here, hit OK. Now we're on the network key page. So I'm going to enter the network. Actually going to use WPS instead. So I'm going to click the WPS button on the printer. Hold the WPS down on the router for 3 seconds. Then press OK on the printer. It says setting up WLAN. It's all connected. Now it printed something out. It says connected, OK. That's about it for the Brother wireless printer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.